Thank you, Raman. Now let's cast a glance at what the numbers say about the players expected to take the field today. So we'd start with the colossal figure of Virat Kohli and how his figures have been in T20s. Well, in total, he has played plenty of matches and 94 in exact. 94 is also his highest score in T20Is. In total, he has scored 3,227 runs, 29 50s to his name and a strike rate of 137. In fact, he scored a half century as well against Pakistan in the first game of Super 12. Talking about Rohit Sharma, in total 115 matches, a highest score of 118, a century to his name, and not just one century, but 4 centuries to his name. 23 50s as well he has scored and a strike rate of 139, not much to separate him and Virat Kohli in that matter. Talking about KL Rahul, 2 extremely explosive innings in this particular edition of the World Cup. In total, he has played 53 matches, a total scored 1,697 runs, a highest of 110. He announced his arrival to international stage with that century. Talking about Rishabh Pant now, in total 37 matches, 590 runs, highest of 65, unbeaten. He has scored total of 250s and 2 important innings coming from his willow in this particular edition of World Cup, 39 from 30 and 27 unbeaten from 13. Talking about Hardik Pandya, his highest being 42 not out, strike rate of 146. That's the X factor that he brings to this Indian team. In total, he has played 53 matches and scored 553 runs. And now talking about Suryakumar Yadav, well then he's played in total 7 matches for India and scored 156 runs, the highest being 57, 2 half centuries to his name, and that strike rate column 169.56, mind-boggling. Talking about Ishan Kishan now, played in total of 4 matches for India, 84 runs for him, highest of 56 and a 50, and a strike rate of 133 is what this left-hander has. And now shifting our attention to the bowlers. Well, how then Indian bowlers have fared? We'll have a look now. So again, we'd start with Jasprit Bumrah and Bhuvneshwar Kumar in total has played 52 games. In fact, featured in the game against Pakistan as well. A total of 50 wickets to his name, the best being a 5 for 24. And now talking about Jasprit Bumrah, India's second highest wicket taker in the Super 12s of this edition of the World Cup. In total, he has played 54 matches, 64 wickets, and his best being 3 for 11, while the economy being 6.55. And now we turn our attention to Mohammad Shami. 2 back-to-back 3-wicket haul performances by him. In total, he has played 16 matches, 18 wickets to his name, his best being 3 for 15. Coming in the previous game as well, we saw he picked up 3 wickets, an economy of 9.53. And now shifting our attention to the spinners. Starting with off-spinner Ravichandran Ashwin, 48 matches, plenty of experience, 55 wickets, his best being 4 for 8. Now that takes some time to register, and economy being 6.90 as well. Talking about Ravindra Jadeja, this all-rounder has played 54 matches for India, made his debut in 2009, total wickets to his name being 43, and his best figure came in the previous game against Scotland, 3 for 15, an economy of 7.06. Well, these numbers have been phenomenal. Namibia too have had their share of good performances. We talk about that via the number game, but after this very short break.
भाई तो मान ही नहीं रही हो।
कहा ना, अभी दूसरा बच्चा नहीं करना।
क्यों नहीं करना अभी? एक तो घर वालों ने परेशान कर रखा है, ऊपर से तुम समझती नहीं हो।
सुनती हो? पप्पू मिला था।
पप्पू
कह रहा था कि जब तक हमारी बिटिया 2 साल की नहीं हो जाती, तब तक हम दूसरे बच्चे की प्लानिंग ही नहीं करेंगे।
क्यों भाई?
अरे बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए। कल को बच्चा कितना होनहार होगा, ये पहले 2 साल में ही तय हो जाता है, क्योंकि 80% मानसिक विकास तो उसका उसी समय होता है। तभी तो माँ बाप उसके साथ खेलते कूदते हैं, बातचीत करते हैं, उसको कहानी सुनाते हैं। ये चाय क्या ठंडी है भाई? हाँ, दूसरा भी अभी हो गया तो दोनों पे ध्यान कौन देगा?
समझ गए चाचा जी।
अरे समझ गए, शर्म नहीं आता तुमको? दूसरे के घर का बात सुनते हो। बच्चों में अंतर उनके विकास और माँ की सेहत के लिए जरूरी है। तब तक कंडोम का इस्तेमाल हर बार। बच्चों में अंतर बनाए उनकी लाइफ बेहतर।
4 साल पहले जब भीम ऐप लॉन्च किया गया था, तब मैंने कहा था कि वो दिन दूर नहीं जब अधिकांश बिजनेस ट्रांजैक्शन नोट और सिक्कों के बजाय डिजिटली होंगे।
अभी नहीं करना मतलब?
मुझे नहीं करना दूसरा बच्चा अभी।
अरे पर क्यों नहीं करना, बताओ।
आज रेडियो पे बता रहे थे कि पहले और दूसरे बच्चे के बीच अंतर रखना कितना जरूरी है। माँ बस हर 3 महीने में गर्भ निरोधक टीका लगवा ले।
पर अंतर काहे रखना है?
बच्चों के भविष्य के लिए। आगे जाके बच्चा कितना होनहार होगा ये पहले 2 साल में ही तय हो जाता है, क्योंकि बच्चे का 80% मानसिक विकास इसी समय में होता है। बताओ। सुन बब्बन, हिसाब कब करेगा तू? भाग कर रहा है। तो जरूरी है कि माँ बाप बच्चे के साथ खेले, उन्हें कहानियाँ सुनाएं। दूसरा भी आ गया तो फिर दोनों का ध्यान कैसे रखेंगे, हैं? समझे?
समझे।
इस उम्र में समझ के क्या कर लोगे, हैं?
अरे काकी, अब तो हम भी समझ गए।
बच्चों के विकास और माँ की सेहत के लिए बच्चों में अंतर जरूरी है। तब तक हर 3 महीने में गर्भ निरोधक इंजेक्शन लगवाएं। बच्चों में अंतर बनाए उनकी लाइफ बेहतर।
Welcome back. As promised, we now turn our attention to the Namibian players. Now remember, this country has a population of just 25.4 lakhs and a national roster of just 20 players. Yet their players have managed to create ripples at the World Cup. We talk about each of their players in detail, starting with David Wiesa. He has played for PSL as well and has done phenomenally well this World Cup. But overall, his stats say 30 matches and 313 runs, his highest being 66 unbeaten, a strike rate of 127.75. And now talking about Gerard Erasmus, their captain. He has played 29 matches, 661 runs to his name, highest of 72. In fact, during the qualifiers, he was phenomenal, but his form dipped a bit in the Super 12, a strike rate of 133 for him. Craig Williams, a wonderful player of spin. He has played in total 26 matches, scored 627 runs, highest being 81, 550s, and a strike rate of 118.52. And now Stephen Bard, he has played 21 matches, has scored 572 runs, his highest being 92, not too far away from a century, but 4 50s to his name in total, a strike rate of 116.97. Now JJ Smith, 25 matches, 432 runs, highest being 59, 150, and a strike rate of 142.10, is quite an all-rounder as well. And talking about all-rounders, bowlers, we talk about Namibian bowlers. 4 left-arm pacers is what they've had in their team. Now Jan Freilich didn't play the previous game because of dehydration, but is expected to be back in this game. 26 matches, 43 wickets, the best being 6 for 24, is pretty economical as well. 6.22 is what his economy says. And this is another all-rounder that we are talking about, David Wiesa. Total 30 matches for him, 33 wickets, best figure of 5 for 23, economy of 7.58. A lot of experience under his belt. Ruben Trumpelman, well, against Scotland in the very first over of the innings of the match, he managed to take 3 wickets with his left arm seam, his best being 3 for 17. Coming in that game, economy of 7.09. He's played in total 9 matches in T20 internationals. JJ Smith, we discussed about him as a batsman. Now we are talking about him as a bowler. 25 matches, 23 wickets, 3 for 19 being his best, and an economy of 6.89. And now shifting our attention to Scholes over here because he's played 26 matches. He's earned 31 wickets, so he also earns a mention over here, and his best figures being 4 for 12 and economy being 5.85. Well, those are what the figures have to say. Now, this is going to be pretty interesting because, like already mentioned in Crick Live, India's numbers against left-arm seamers since 2020 have been not so impressive, particularly during the power plays, an average of 15 and an economy of 5.7. What our experts have to say about that? Well, Raman, let us know.